Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your medical records with HIPAA compliance, full guide step by step clearly. Understanding the importance of HIPAA compliance is essential for protecting your medical records. The first step in protecting your medical records is to educate yourself about HIPAA regulations. Familiarize yourself with the key components of HIPAA, including the privacy rule and the security rule. Next, conduct a risk assessment of your current practices and policies regarding medical record handling. Identify potential vulnerabilities in your system that could lead to unauthorized access or breaches. After identifying risks, develop and implement policies that address these vulnerabilities. Establish strict access controls to ensure that only authorized personnel can access sensitive medical information. Utilize encryption methods for both stored and transmitted data to safeguard against breaches. Regularly train your staff on HIPAA compliance and emphasize the importance of protecting patient information. Create a clear protocol for reporting and responding to potential data breaches or security incidents. Ensure that you have signed business associate agreements with any third parties that handle patient data. Maintain comprehensive records of your compliance efforts and any actions taken to protect medical records. Regularly review and update your policies and procedures to adapt to new threats and changes in regulations. Monitoring for compliance is crucial, so conduct periodic audits to assess adherence to HIPAA guidelines. By systematically following these steps, you can significantly enhance the protection of your medical records. HIPAA compliance not only safeguards patient information but also builds trust within your practice. Staying informed and proactive is key to maintaining security in an ever-evolving healthcare landscape. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.